First thing I want to do is kind of simple, is I just want to show you how to make this. Okay, and then we can make the rest of this from this one object. So back here, and making sure that you're starting not with your original file that we remember we did a save as. We're going to start right here with this object. Now the circle is, if you're not already on it, you can go ahead and go down to the ellipse. And I'm going to show you a couple ways. Number one is you go and hunt for the exact center, hold down Option and Shift, and start dragging. And then you can watch up in that upper right-hand corner and notice that I've made this 220 pixels by 220 pixels, which is the exact size I wanted. But if that doesn't work for you, what you can do is with this circle, and once again, you just select in the circle, click and drag, hold down Shift, and let go. Let go of the mouse. I'm still holding down Shift. Now I've let go of Shift. Then with this selected and with this icon locked, see how this is 204 by 204? I'm just going to change one of these, one click, 220, hit return, and now this is 220. And now because we have all these snapping settings on, all of them, you can just click and drag this over here, and you're going to, as soon as you get centered, it's going to snap, and then you're going to come down, and you look until you've got both of these. And notice it says 40 on all four sides. Then you let go of the mouse, and you've got the circle sitting here. Now, if you click and drag, you select them both. Now, is the circle in the front? When you click on this, you can be sure it's on the front because you selected the circle and not the square. If, by some reason, I'm going to go ahead and go to Arrange and send this to the back. Now when I click, notice how that circle doesn't highlight anymore. I get this square instead. Well, where's the circle? If we click and drag, there it is. There it is. And then I can shift click out here to deselect that square. Now the circle is highlighted. I don't know if I right click on this. Nope. If you right click, you get the square. So I'm going to select them both, shift click on this square, and then go to Modify, Arrange, Bring to Front. And now that circle's out front. That is critical. Okay? Then we can select both of these, click on the eyedropper right here. Remember this? The eyedropper, click once, then I come over here and click this purple. They're both the exact same color. That's not what we want. But don't just go picking a new purple color. We want to stay in the same zone. So we're going to click on this fill color. See where my cursor is? Right over the fill right there. Click on it, and we're going to choose. We're going to start dragging this, and my eye's over here. When I click on this and start pulling it, I'm looking for something that feels lighter, but still part of this same color range. This is monochromatic because we're sitting right here. Got it? Okay, then you repeat this process for each of these. Well, we won't go through anything else. I just want to teach you how to make this for right now. We're going to go through, and I'm going to save this. See how this is? One, hit Command S. So this saves, it synchronizes, and then I can go ahead and close it. We can come back to that and open it up later. But then we go to File, Open from Cloud, and we're going to click on our default one, the Color Harmony 03. That's what I called mine. Whatever you titled yours, and hold on the space bar, move this off to the side, and then Save As. Remember, Shift Command S, File. I use the keyboard shortcuts. So you're probably Shift Control S to save to the cloud. And then I'm just going to hit the right arrow and type a B. So now I'm on the second one. And I'm ready to roll for our next version of this. We're going to repeat this process over and over. So get used to it, and you want to preserve everything so that you have a whole set of files that you can refer to that'll help you understand how to work better in Gravit.